Local news for Thursday the 31st of August. Unforeseen structural issues with some of the Marston and Trust Lanes Trust's newer buildings have had a moderate impact on the community-owned Trust's annual result for the year ended 31 March. Presented at its 145th annual general meeting, Trust Chairperson Leanne Southey said while the structural issues would continue to impact financial results and grants in the short to medium term, revaluation of the property portfolio saw the value of Trust assets decrease by 3.3% to $68.8 million, reflecting the structural remediation needed to 10 buildings, which make up about 20% of the property assets. For the same reason, equity decreased by 4.5%. A new indoor arena for Wellington is a step closer, with mayors instructing the region's Economic Development Agency to begin work towards a business case for the project. Masterton Mayor Lynn Patterson says tourism in the region will also benefit. We all know that major concerts mean more money in the pockets of local hoteliers, motels and accommodation providers. Bigger events will mean more guest nights and more tourism spending. This isn't just a win for concert goers, this is a boost for economic development. And in sport, tonight's netball will see the two high schools battle it out, St Matthews and Wairarapa College from 6 p.m. Tomorrow night, 4 good games are expected as well, with Celtic playing Harcourts at 5:30 and Carterton playing Gladstone at 7 p.m. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.